Good morning to all the dear students of class 7th. Today I am going to explain the revision work for unit 4th of SST. सिलेबस देखिए, हिस्ट्री में चैप्टर 7, सिविक्स में भी चैप्टर 7 एंड ज्योग्राफी में भी चैप्टर 7 यूनिट 4th में आएंगे. चैप्टर नंबर 7, ट्राइब्स, नोमैड्स एंड सेटल्ड कम्युनिटीज. The Gonds are one of the largest tribal in East Africa, South Asia, East Asia, Europe, South Asia. Option B is correct. Bastar is the largest tribal district of the Chhattisgarh. Option number B is correct. Third देखिए, the Chaurasis were the group of 84 villages. Fourth, Dash defeated the ruler Malwa Raj Bahadur and annexed it Akbar. Fifth, the English finally took over the Gondwana in 90th century. The first Ahom king Sukapha ruled for 40 years. The Battle of Itakhuli in 1682 marked the end of the Mughal Ahom conflict. Fill in the blanks with using suitable words. The three kinds of nomads are hunter-gatherer, pastoral and the peripatetic nomads. During the medieval period, more tribal people took up the agriculture. Third में Gonds. The Gonds are one of the largest tribal group in South Asia. The Gond queen Durgavati was the Chandel princess who married the Dalpat Shah. The Gonds exported elephants to the other kingdoms. The Ahom king were called स्वर्गेडियोस. ट्रू फॉल्स देखते हैं. द ट्राइब्स लिव्ड इन सच प्लेस विच वर वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू रीच. ट्रू. सेकेंड, द गोंड्स आर वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप्स इन द साउथ एशिया. दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. थर्ड, रानी दुर्गावती डाइड इन द बैटल डिफेंडिंग हर किंगडम अगेंस्ट द राजपूत इन 1562. फॉल्स. The Gond kingdom exported elephant to the other kingdoms. True. The English finally took over the Gondwana in the 17th century. This is false. The Ahom power in Assam reached its peak during the reign of King Rudra Singh. True. The Itakhuli is 1696 marked the end of Mughal Ahom conflict. False. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर भी याद करिएगा. Who were Gonds ये पूछा जा सकता है, ऑप्शन दिए जा सकते हैं. इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा और 3 ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे और उसको आपको करेक्ट आंसर करना है. चैप्टर नंबर 7, ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट, सेटलमेंट, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. द प्लेस वेयर पीपल लिव्ड इज कॉल्ड हैबिटेशन. ये ऑप्शन 4 तो दिए गए हैं, 4 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. द सेटलमेंट बिल्ड अराउंड द रोड अलोंग द रेलवे ट्रैक आर कॉल्ड लिनियर. थर्ड, द इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन हैज सम काइंड ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी. फोर्थ, डैश आर द मोस्ट यूनिवर्सल मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, रोड्स. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. फिफ्थ, इंडिया हैज द लार्जेस्ट रेल नेटवर्क इन एशिया एंड द 4th लार्जेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. सिक्स्थ, all humans need to communicate with the other fellow being to satisfy these emotional needs. True false देखिए. Write the true and false for the following statement. Villages are known as the urban settlements. False. Trade and transport towns provide facilities for trade, commerce and services. This is true. With the great development in an area and network for the roadways, railways and airways gets the denser and more widespread. This is true. Airways are quick means of transport over a long distance comparatively to the lower cost. This is false. Airways cover large distance quickly and with the great ease. True. Communication became quicker and efficient with the invention of the post office, telegraph, printing press, telephone, satellite, etc. True. Fill in the blanks. Dispersed settlement are made of the scattered isolation of dwelling. Second, cities are big urban settlement while the towns are small urban settlements. Trains are powered by the steam, diesel and electricity. Fourth, Marine waterways are sea routes, oceanic routes through which the goods and people move from one country to another. The major cities of the world are connected through the air routes. People have understood the concept of global village throughout the better communication. Chapter number 7 of civics, understanding advertising. Exercise देखते हैं. Which of these key benefit can shown the advertisement of the package floor? Option number D is correct, nutrition. Which of these keys benefit can show in the advertisement of the toothpaste? Oral hygiene. Option number B is correct. Third, an important objective of advertising is to increase the demand. Option number A is correct. Fourth, making advertisement is a costly affair. Option number A is correct. Fifth, electronic advertisement can be seen on the television. Option number B is correct. Sixth, an audio-visual medium of communication is newspaper. Option number C is correct. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Advertising is a form of communication that tries to persuade the audience. Second, the aim of an advertisement is to make the audience buy the product. Third, if the brand image is good, the product sells well. Fourth, many brands use celebrities for the endorsements. Fifth, the creative copy is sent to the printer for the print advertisement. Sixth, the brand name helps the differentiate one product from another of similar type. True false देखते हैं. That an advertisement tells the audience the name of the product and services. True. A customer could neglect the product when he convinced that the product is better than all others available in the market. False. Third, a brand is well known in many countries is an international brand. True. Next, fourth number, many brands use celebrities for the endorsement. True. If the brand image is good, product sells well. True. If the people often find a place in advertisement. False. देखिए फिर शक्ति भोग 4 फ्लोर और डी में हमने मैच किया. फिर पेप्सोडेंट क्या है? टूथपेस्ट है. बिरला सीमेंट. सैमसंग क्या है? मोबाइल की कंपनी है. लेवीज जो है हमारा वो जीन्स की कंपनी है. इस तरीके से हम इसको आप अच्छे तरीके से याद कर लीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन आंसर भी याद कर लीजिए. क्वेश्चन आंसर से भी पूछे जाएंगे, मल्टीपल चॉइस बनाया जाएगा. ठीक, जैसे व्हाट इज एडवर्टाइजिंग इज अ डैश. जो भी वर्ड आएगा उसमें 4 ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे. उसके बाद जो वर्ड होगा आपको सही वर्ड को क्या करना है? टिक करना है. इसी के साथ ये रिवीजन वर्क कंप्लीट होता है. थैंक यू सो मच.